So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for settings. So when you find your settings, what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. When you get into your settings, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. Now what you have to do is to tap on mobile network, then you select the network you are using. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on advanced, and scroll and tap on preferred network type, and make sure you select this option, which is 4G, 3G, 2G, auto. After that, what you have to do is to go to your settings app again, and what you have to do is to tap on you have to search for apps and notification, then you tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on the see all apps. After that, you have to wait as it's loading. After loading, you have to search in for the name of the app. So guys, let's wait while it's loading. So after that, now tap on the app, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is turned on. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure this background data is turned on. After that, go back, tap on storage and cache and make sure this clear cache is cleared well. After doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your Google Play Store and try to update the version of the app. So just tap over here to update it. So after updating your app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video.